Ready to unlock the future with blockchain? Let's get started. Blockchain is revolutionizing every industry, and now you can be a part of this revolution. Our blockchain specialist course on the Anyskill app is designed for tech enthusiasts like you. Blockchain is like a digital ledger that records transactions across multiple computers. Imagine there is a book in which you write down every transaction, but instead of one book, there are thousands of copies. Every time a transaction happens, all the copies get updated. This makes it very secure and transparent because everyone can see the transaction. Blockchain is used in finance to secure transactions, to track commodities in the supply chain, in the healthcare sector for patient records, and even in the voting system to ensure transparency and security. And the best part? You can learn these courses for free. So what are you waiting for? Download the Anyskill app today and start your journey to becoming a blockchain pro. Your future in technology is just a click away. Join now and be at the forefront.